Jack, smile. Put Daddy here.
Here's Taylor decorating his heart cookies. Yeah, put it on your cookie.
You can stick M&Ms on it.
Put it on your cookie.
No. He wants to paint the camera.
Look.
Here, paint that. Look. And then you can put sprinkles on your cookie too. Remember how we did the gingerbread man? Watch. Watch. Now take one of these. Watch. There you go.
There you go.
And then put some sprinkles on it. You gotta put more frosting on first. Look how Jack's doing.
I need more paint.
More paint. Abby, you want to do it too? Yeah? Look at her face. Scrappy doesn't want to do it now.
Look, Daddy.
Wow.
Okay.
Cookie. You're making a heart cookie?
Okay.
Candy on there. Good
On
job.
there. Here.
What's that?
Look, watch this. Watch. Put more in here like this.
What's that?
Watch, Taylor. Look.
Yellow?
Yeah.
Yellow. Good job.
And then put some sprinkles on there. Try that one.
I want more paint.
It's not real paint. It's actually frosting, Jack.
Where's another yellow?
Frosting. Yes.
In your mouth.
I want that one.
There's another yellow. Good job.
You need something to drink?
I want that.
Oh, Meg, you have to slow down. Okay, you want to paint yours too?
Can we eat frosting?
You can eat that frosting, yes. That's frosting. That's not real paint.
What's
Look,
that?
Abby, eat your cookie.
Let me see. I think that's brown.
Now what?
He told me purple before.
We'll go.
Abby,
We'll go.
Where'd it go? In your mouth. In your belly.
go like this,
What's that? What's that?
Blue.
and then go like this. Look, take the M&M and stick it on there.
You're supposed to decorate your cookie.
We'll go. We'll go.
Good job.
I stick my M&M on there. We'll go. Yes.
Let me see, Jack. Wow, look at that.
We'll go.
Where'd it go? In your mouth. Why don't you paint your other cookie?
What's that?
What color is that?
What's that?
Oh no, what is it?
Well,
No. Green.
These?
Yeah.
It's yummy. These are good. What's that?
Are they
What's
good,
that?
Jack?
Let go.
In your mouth.
What's that? Whoa.
No.
Is it good? You don't like that red one so much?
It's green.
No. It's just
Green. That's right. It's green.
Maggie, you want another cookie?